This video is for information and general guidance only. It is not personal mortgage advice. We are authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. Your home may be repossessed if you do not keep up repayments on your mortgage. We also follow a no-pressure, no-obligation approach. You're welcome to ask questions at any time, and there is no requirement to use our services.
Buying a home is a big step, and for many families it represents stability, dignity, and a sense of finally being settled. At ZAS Mortgages, we speak to people every day who are starting this journey, and our approach is simple, personal, focused, and honest advice. So let's walk through the UK home buying process in a clear and calm way. The journey usually starts with a decision to buy. Maybe you're tired of rising rents, maybe you want more space, or maybe you just want a place that truly feels like your own. Whatever the reason, the first practical step is checking your deposit. Most lenders need at least 5%, but 10% or more usually gives you better options and lower monthly payments. Next, look at realistic house prices in the area you want. Check recent sold prices and current listings. This helps you understand what's possible within your budget. Before speaking to anyone, it's important to check your credit report. Look for missed payments, defaults, or old addresses that need updating. Don't worry if you see something unusual. Different lenders treat things differently. And this is exactly where an advisor can guide you. At ZAS Mortgages, we help people understand what lenders look for and how different situations may be viewed. Speaking to a whole-of-market advisor, like our team at ZAS Mortgages, can help you see a wider range of options. Going direct means you only see one lender's products. An advisor compares many lenders, interest rates, product fees, valuation fees, and lending criteria. Even a small difference in the interest rate or fees can make a noticeable impact over time. Your borrowing amount depends on your income, commitments, deposit, credit history, and the lender's rules. Two people with the same salary can still be offered very different amounts. That's because lenders carry out what's called an affordability assessment, and your advisor does this hard work for you, comparing different lenders to see what may be possible in your situation.
To move forward smoothly, you'll need documents. If you're employed, that usually means payslips, bank statements, and ID. If you're self-employed, lenders usually look at an average of your last 2 years' net profit. Some lenders will consider 1 year of accounts as well. You'll normally need your SA 302s, tax year overviews, and business accounts. You'll also need evidence of your deposit, such as bank statements, savings history, gifted deposit letters, or proof of sale if your deposit is coming from another property. If you have other income, like overtime, benefits, or rental income, that can also be considered. Once everything is checked, your advisor can help you get an agreement in principle. Estate agents often ask for this before accepting your offer because it shows you're serious and financially prepared. When your offer is accepted, the estate agent prepares a memorandum of sale, and this is when you'll instruct a solicitor. They'll open your file, carry out ID checks, and begin the early legal work, including searches, contracts, and inquiries. Your advisor will then submit your full mortgage application. The lender reviews your documents, runs checks, and orders a valuation. Mortgage approvals usually take 4 to 6 weeks. Once everything is ready, the lender issues your mortgage offer. This confirms that both you and the property have been approved. When the solicitors have completed all the legal work, received the search results, reviewed the replies to inquiries, and are satisfied everything is in order, you'll be ready to exchange contracts. This legal process often takes 2 to 4 months, depending on how quickly everyone responds. Exchange is the point where both sides make a legally binding commitment to go ahead with the purchase. After that, you move to completion. On completion day, the lender releases the funds, the solicitor transfers the money to the seller, and you receive the keys. You officially become the homeowner.
For many families, especially those who came to the UK to build a better life, this moment represents stability, security, and a place to call your own. At ZAS Mortgages, we understand how meaningful that moment can be, and with the right guidance, the journey can be clear, calm, and manageable. And throughout the process, our commitment remains the same: personal, focused, and honest advice. If you want clarity based on your own circumstances, needs, and preferences, the next step is to speak to a regulated advisor who can look at your full picture. ZAS Mortgages is here to help you understand the process at your own pace, with absolutely no obligation at all. Call us on 0800 061 4173 or WhatsApp on 0738 800 111 for a free, no obligation assessment.